my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love seafood, and when mid-August arrives, I know I'm about to spoil myself with a few ocean gems, like lobster, crab, oysters, clams, and so on. It's nice when I can mix a few together. I think of bouillabaisse, paella, cioppino, and others. There's a dish I like making because not only is it easy, but also flavorful. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my country boil. This delicious one-pot recipe should definitely be on your to-do list. Using fresh ingredients, seasonings, vegetables, and of course, some seafood. This is a lovely meal to savor this season. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Let's prep a few ingredients together. Here's our white onion, and what we'll do is to cut it in half, then each half in half, and finally cut the pieces in half again. Alright, now let's prep the potatoes. We'll cut them in half, and for the ones who are bigger, we'll quarter them. We try to have roughly the same size pieces so they cook evenly. See? They're pretty close. When it comes to the corn, after the husks and silks are removed, we'll simply cut them in thirds. Okay, let's cook. In a large pot over medium-high heat, we'll add water, dry white wine, a full bottle of clam juice. It usually comes in 8 ounces. Some seafood seasoning, such as Old Bay. Then my Creole seasoning that you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Of course, ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Oh, and I almost forgot, a large bay leaf. Now we'll add the potatoes, the onions, and 6 large cloves of pressed garlic. We'll give a good stir so the ingredients are well combined and bring it to a boil. When it gets there, we'll reduce the heat to medium, cover, and cook for 10 minutes. When time is up, we'll add some ground cumin, one of my favorite spices, as well as thyme leaves. Most people don't season the broth enough, which ends up tasting blah. And I don't like boring food. So we'll quickly stir before adding smoked garlic sausage, which you can view my homemade version by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, and followed by the corn. We'll push them down in the water. They don't need to be submerged. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Later on, and whoa, it smells good. We'll add the crab legs, unpeeled shrimp or prawns, and a large quartered lemon. We'll mix the ingredients, cover, and cook this time for only 4 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll add butter, salted please, and a tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley. Of course, we'll combine the ingredients, cover again, and cook for a couple more minutes. 2 minutes later, we'll check to see if our ingredients are done. The shrimp are cooked nicely. The potatoes are tender, perfect, and the corn is done as well. We'll now remove from the heat and transfer the ingredients on a serving plate. What's left from the pot, we won't throw it and pour it into a colander sitting over a bowl. This broth is absolutely delicious when making seafood chowder. We'll serve immediately along with garlic bread, melted butter, lemon, and cocktail sauce for dipping, along with a nice glass of white wine. And my friends, this is our country boil. With a well-seasoned broth, this succulent one-pot dish is perfect to enjoy at the end of the summer. There's nothing fancy about it, but the flavors marry so well together. It's a fun and unpretentious meal to share with friends and family. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amount, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!